Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video series in which we show you how we download the statistics and data report from our channel and make the customized report. And this automatically generates our customer report on the basis of the table data. Uh, the table data contains these basic five columns in which the views and watch time and the average view duration and the estimated revenue are listed. These are basically downloaded from this screen, which is shown on our channel studio. And in the when we go to the studio, we go to the analytics, we click on the see more, then we have this uh, the range of all these reports available. So we click on the data. When we go to the data, and then we make sure that we make the lifetime here, so that all of us. But these all are listed, but only limited roles can be downloaded. There's, I think, 500, right? So we have to see that until when we have completed. We have seen in our Excel sheet, you can see that uh, our data is complete until 20th of January. So from 21st of January onwards, we need to download so that our data is complete in our customized reporting system. So we will go to the custom and we will make it 21st of January. So January is 1, and this will be 21st of January, and until the 26th of January. It's February is fine, right? And we apply it. But make sure that this is correctly read. So it is first of the 21st of January. Sometime it 21st of January. Enter 11th, 18, 11th, 15. Oh, it is 25, not 15, it is 25, right? Okay. So 21st of January, 25 to this, okay? And we click, we make sure that we take 1 day less because uh, there is a reason for doing this because the last day, the 26th, is not completed to a certain time of the day. So we don't want to include that an incomplete day. So because of timing difference in throughout the world, global, the viewers are is their activity is not yet complete for 26. So for sure, 25th uh, is the day for which we can take the report, confirmed reports, right? So this is our view, and here it is sorted by what? It is okay, no problem. The sorting is not the issue. What we do is here is we download. Hmm. So we download in the Google Sheet, and we download. So this is Google Sheet. It is not yet downloaded. Now it is going to be downloaded with this option. So once it gets downloaded, you can open this file immediately and get these rows which are listed in here. Okay. So we don't want to take this total row, just take the data from which it is starting. Okay. We take all these rows. One row is having 1 day record. Okay. Of it. So we press Control C in here and we go to our table data sheet, and in the first row available in the bottom, we we place Control V here, we paste it. We don't worry about these columns, formulas. They will be done automatically by the system, and we as soon as we go to the report. So it has done it, and you can see that the 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 comparative analysis is ready for the 3 years, right? And you can see that in January it was quite low, but in February it is going very well. Okay, it's going up. So the process is going up. Otherwise, before January, these were there was a certain decline in our. There was for sure there a decline in our uh, videos performance, but now it's going up. The reason is that what the changes we have done is that we have started using the YouTube recommendations, and YouTube has a, a system which guides you uh, that what are the features, what are the things which you should do. So, keeping an eye on that uh, when we make our contents and make the changes in our strategy. So that's so the key thing which we have adopted is that in the contents when we go here and we go to inspiration tab. This is the key thing, success thing. Ever since we have started uh, using these brainstorming and these ideas, and then we created the video and uploaded. So the result of it is honorable. So you can see the celebrations are coming and the rate is going well and people are and you use it, YouTube tells you that the people are choosing to watch this when they are not. So we have to keep an eye on this, and our customized report will tell us uh, that how is uh, our channel performance. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.